Hello students, a mathematics question. Okay, the question asked us, here we have to use a secant method to find the root of the value of fx, which fx is given as x minus 2 sine x. Okay, so and the initial condition which is given as initially x naught is given as 2 and x1 is given as 1.9. Okay, so we have to find out the root, and error will be significant to the third position of the decimal. Okay, so for calculating using the secant method, there's a formula. Actually it will the secant method will follow nothing but Newton's adaptation method actually. So the same formula we will use: xn plus 1 is equals to xn minus, so this will be means f of xn by f dash of xn. Okay, so just I will write it down as xn of 2 sine xn, xn minus 1, and this will be xn minus 2 sine xn minus xn minus 1 minus 2 sine xn minus 1. Okay, so this formula, it's there, so this can be reduced and it can be written as xn minus x of n minus 2 sine x of n minus xn minus 1 divided by x of n minus xn minus 1 plus 2 into sine xn minus 1 minus sine of xn. Okay, so this I have solved and written like this. Okay, so just termed as xn is equals to n of n and d of n. Okay, so now we have to find out to the third decimal place, right? So just make a table of that. Here all n values will be there. Here xn minus 1 and xn will come. Here n and d of n. Okay, fine. So just when you take n equals to 1, then what it will be, when you're taking n equals to 1, then this will become x of 0, right? So when you're taking n equals to 1, this part will become, means you are taking xn plus 1, means as xn plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so you are taking this xn will become 0. Okay, so sorry, this xn will become x of 1. Okay, so this will be then x of 1 minus x of 1 minus 2 of sine of 1, and 1 will be in the rad. Okay, and again it will be 1 minus x of 0, so means x of 1 and x of 0. Okay, so like this formula will go on. Okay, so now when you will substitute the value and calculate, you will get value as 2. Okay, and here you will get 1.9, because already it is given, right? X of 1 is given as 1.9, so 1 is n is 1, so it is given as 1.9. And when you're calculating this value, the numerator, when you will calculate, you will get minus 0.0007 actually, and if you're taking more values, you will get 4 zeros actually in the calculator. Till here it will show, okay, till 7 it will show, and this value will get as 0.174005. Okay, and the denominator value is this is the denominator value, this is the numerator value. Okay, now this part will be used as xn minus 1, right? So because since xn is 1.9, so when n equals to 2, so it will be x of 1, so x of 1 will be what, 1.900. Okay, and when you calculate this value will come as 895,747, and similarly numerator and denominator you can find out. Okay, now the third part, when again this value will become xn minus 1 for n equals to 3. Okay, so this will be 1.89747, and this value will become 895,494. Okay, so again the numerator and denominator, but we have to find out the root, right, for the 3 decimal place, for the 3 n equals to 3. Okay, so this value will, what will be our answer? What is 1.895747? Sorry, it will be 494. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. So therefore option is D. Thank you.